In today's video, we're playing an absolute classic. We're playing Big Bass Splash. We'll talk about the RTP, all the data that you need to know, and then we'll jump in with some real money gameplay. Let's go. Big Bass Splash is one of the most famous slots to come out of Pragmatic play and is a part of the Big Bass series. The game is played across 5 reels and 4 rows, and you can win across 10 paylines by landing traditional symbols or by catching high-value fish. Bets on Big Bass Splash start at 10 cents and cap out at $250, so you can reach some pretty high stakes on this game. The RTP is high for a Pragmatic play game, sitting at 96.71%, but the high volatility the developer is known for is still in full swing, so expect larger wins, but less often. And for the luckiest players, the max payout is 5,000 times your original stake. But if you want to hook those big wins, you'll need to activate the Big Bass bonus rounds. Just land 3 or more scatter symbols to earn 10, 15 or 20 free spins and try to catch as many fish and as much profit as possible. So now, let's play a little with real money to see how it works in practice. Let's go ahead and buy the bonus feature on Big Bass Splash. We'll start off with $100 free spins. It's an absolute classic, old school, you can tell from the graphics. Big potential, also a lot of flops that you can do really poorly, but you can do really well. It's going to start off potentially giving us some extra fishermen, or you can get extra 2 free spins, or you can get extra hooks and explosions, or potentially even start at level 2. Oh, which we have. I think that's the best one we can get. So we're happy with that. We've got an extra 2 free spins as well. This could be really good. It depends on how it plays out, but they are pretty good. More fishermen, extra 2 free spins, and we're starting at level 2, which means that we're on 2 times payout. 2x multiplier is what I'm trying to say. We just need the fisherman guy to turn up. But he's not. Wow, really? There, we got 1. Good job we started on this 2 times level. That's a $44 payout. Remember, this cost us $100. We still have 4 spins left. They're low payouts, but we'll take any money, to be honest. I mean, if we can get 12 free spins at a 3x, I'll be really happy. We need to get 2 more. No, it's not going to happen for us. We need 2 fishermen on this reel. Oh, that was awful. That could have been so good. We actually lost $40 despite getting off to a really, really, really good start. We'll do that again. Surprised we didn't make money with that one. Whilst we do some fishing, guys, don't forget to sign up to the casino I'm playing at using the code Matchmaker. You get into the leaderboard, you get the giveaways. We're starting from level 2 again. Perfect. Also, come into the Discord so you can message me and I can send you the money via the casino. I think we got exactly the same as we did last time, which was really good. Level 2 plus 2 free spins plus extra fishermen. Hopefully the guy turns up this time. I'll be shocked and disappointed if we don't win money with this. $100 buy-in, remember? I mean, we'll take a fisherman. It's a shame it was only a $2 fish. He's there again. To collect nothing. At least we know he's there, but it'd be nice if he collected some money for us. Come on. Where have you gone? All those fish and you can't be bothered turning up. Oh, this is awful again. Really bad. I mean, that is still terrible. $24. We got off to the best start we possibly could again. And not only did we not win money, we lost a lot then. We lost $70. Right, let me increase this bet to 150. This channel is sort of due some good luck. We've not had it for a while. And we got the stew straight away. But maybe that doesn't even really matter because we got 3 of the best things you could get and it was terrible. Oh, this one is frustrating. Look at this. We need a bit of a miracle to get to level 2. Very unlikely to happen. Yeah, or basically impossible to happen, I think. How much did I buy in for here? $150? Or $250? Bought in for $150. Let's go again. That was so bad. I can't believe how bad that was. In fact, I thought I just paid for a bonus round and it wasn't going to give it to me. I can believe how bad it was because we've not been having good luck. We went for a spell where we were doing really well. We got that shoe again. Come on, get to level 2. Are you serious? Come on! Well, at least somebody's there. Oh, this is pathetic. It's annoying me now. $6. I just traded $100 for $6. I'm gonna do this one more time. $100 free spin. None of them have been good. We had the potential. Those first 2 had the potential to be fantastic, and they were awful. And then the next 2 were really awful. I feel like that's a lie. When more fishermen turn up, like it doesn't feel like more fishermen turn up. Come on, we're starting from level 2. I hope that this does well. More hooks and explosions. Give me another 2 free spins. Why not? More fish. Don't care about the fish because my fisherman never collects them anyway. Right, we got all of them. Surely this cannot be a bum spin. Like, we've got everything we could possibly ask for. Fishermen turn up. Got more fish. We've got more fishermen. We've got more free spins. Where are all these fishermen? This is a joke. Right, come on, make this really good. Give me like a £2,500 fish. It was okay. It wasn't amazing. It says super win, doesn't feel super. Okay, I need one more fisherman to get another 12 free spins on a 3x, and then I'll be feeling okay. Last spin. Hey, we got it. Right at the end. We're $8 short of being in the profit. We've got 12 spins, 3 times multiplier. Right, we're in the profit. Won't go missing now. Where is he? No. He's gone. We haven't hit anything on... Oh, we must have hit something on this 3x. Come on. £50 fish. Turn up when it's a $50 fish and you're on 3x. A $2 fish. Well done. You made $6. That had the potential to be so good again. At least we got a profitable one. Should we go again? Let's do $120. Oh, I can't even do $120. We'll do a $100 free spin. One more time. I feel like that could have been really good. More fishermen. You're lying. There are no more fishermen. Starting from level 2. I like that. That's fine. We've got 15 free spins this time as well. Because we got 4 of those scatters come down. So apparently I've got more fishermen. Okay. Spins and the guy's turned up once, and he turns up when I get $2 fish. I feel like crying. Oh my goodness me. We somehow 15 free spins, level 2, $23.20. Not our luck. Subscribe to the channel. I'm sure our luck will change. Well, I'm not sure. I hope it is. Subscribe to the channel. Sign up to the casino I'm playing at using the code Matchmaker. Hopefully you have better luck. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.